Do you ever find yourself feeling overwhelmed, even when you're right at home? Our living spaces, meant to be sanctuaries, can sometimes feel like sources of stress, especially in our busy modern lives. It is a common experience to feel the weight of the world pressing in, even within your own four walls. Today, we are going to explore 10 simple, yet incredibly powerful, DIY hacks designed to transform your home into a haven of peace and calm. These aren't complicated projects or expensive overhauls. Instead, they are small, intentional shifts you can make right now. Each hack is crafted to be easy to implement, requiring minimal effort and often no cost at all. They are budget-friendly solutions that anyone can adopt, regardless of their DIY experience or financial situation. Our goal is to provide you with effective tools for daily stress management, helping you cultivate a more serene environment. These hacks are more than just quick fixes, they are invitations to build lasting habits that support your well-being. By integrating these simple practices into your routine, you can create a home that truly nurtures your mind, body, and spirit. Let's dive into these transformative ideas and discover how easy it is to bring more tranquility into your life. Our first hack is perhaps the most accessible and immediate, harnessing the power of your breath. When stress takes hold, our breathing often becomes shallow and rapid, signaling danger to our nervous system. Taking just 2 minutes to breathe deeply can completely change your internal state. Find a quiet spot, close your eyes gently, and begin to inhale slowly through your nose, feeling your abdomen rise. Then, exhale fully and deliberately through your mouth, letting go of any tension. This simple technique instantly resets your nervous system, bringing you back to a state of calm. It is a powerful reminder that peace is always just a breath away. Next, let's invite nature indoors by incorporating plants into your living space. Greenery does more than just decorate a room, it breathes life into it. Plants naturally purify the air, removing toxins and improving air quality, which can significantly impact your overall well-being. Beyond their practical benefits, plants add a profound sense of calm and natural beauty to any environment. Their vibrant presence connects us to the natural world, fostering a feeling of peace and groundedness. Even a single potted plant can dramatically change a room's energy, making it feel more alive and serene. Our sense of smell is incredibly powerful, directly linked to our emotions and memories. Hack number 3 encourages you to create soothing scents in your home. Essential oils like lavender, known for its calming properties, eucalyptus for clarity, or citrus for uplifting energy, can transform your home's atmosphere. You can use an essential oil diffuser to disperse these calming aromas throughout your space. Alternatively, light a natural candle with a gentle, comforting scent. For a simple, budget-friendly option, try simmering citrus slices and cinnamon sticks on the stove. The aroma will fill your home with warmth and freshness. A cluttered environment often leads to a cluttered mind. Our fourth hack is to declutter your space, even if it's just a small area. Physical clutter can create mental noise, making it difficult to relax and focus. Start with a mini declutter of one specific area. Tackle your desk, a kitchen countertop, or even just your coffee table. Remove anything that doesn't belong or serve a purpose. The act of clearing a space is incredibly therapeutic, and the result is immediate. A clear space allows your mind to breathe, fostering a sense of order and tranquility. Everyone deserves a designated spot where they can truly unwind. Our fifth hack is to establish a comfort corner in your home. This is a special place, however small, dedicated solely to relaxation and safety. It signals to your body and mind that it's okay to let go and relax. This corner could be a cozy armchair by a window, perfect for reading or simply gazing outside. It might be a spot on the floor with a soft rug and a pile of comfortable pillows. Add a favorite blanket, a cherished book, or a warm cup of tea to enhance the feeling of sanctuary. In our noisy world, intentional sound can be a powerful antidote to stress. Hack number 6 encourages you to utilize calming sound. Soft, instrumental music can soothe the soul and quiet a busy mind. White noise can mask distracting sounds, creating a peaceful backdrop. Nature sounds, such as gentle rain, ocean waves, or birdsong, can transport you to a more serene environment. Even just 5 minutes of calming sound can significantly reduce stress levels and reset your mood. Experiment with different sounds to find what resonates most deeply with you. It might seem simple, but prioritizing hydration is a crucial stress relief hack. Stress and dehydration often go hand in hand, creating a vicious cycle that can leave you feeling drained and anxious. Keeping water readily available is a simple yet effective way to support your well-being. Make it a habit to keep a pitcher of fresh water on your desk or in your living area. For an added touch of refreshment and flavor, infuse your water with slices of lemon, cucumber, or a few berries. Staying well hydrated supports all your bodily functions, including your ability to manage stress. Lighting plays a significant role in setting the mood of your home. Our 8th hack is to upgrade your lighting to create a more calming atmosphere. Harsh overhead lights can be jarring and contribute to feelings of tension. Instead, opt for warmer, softer light sources. Swap out bright, cool-toned bulbs for those that emit a warm, inviting glow. Incorporate candles for their gentle flicker and comforting ambience. String lights can add a magical, cozy touch, and strategically placed lamps can create pockets of soft illumination. This simple change can transform your home into a spa-like retreat. When we feel stressed, tension often accumulates in our bodies. Hack number 9 encourages you to embrace gentle movement. You don't need an intense workout, even a few minutes of mindful movement can make a profound difference. Gentle stretching can release physical tightness and improve circulation. Simple yoga poses, even just a few sun salutations, can help you connect with your breath and body. A short, leisurely walk around your home or garden can clear your head and shift your perspective. These gentle movements help release stored tension, promoting both physical and mental ease. Our final hack is a powerful mental shift, practicing gratitude. When we are stressed, our minds often focus on what is going wrong or what we lack. Intentionally shifting your focus to what you are thankful for can profoundly impact your emotional state. Consider keeping a gratitude journal where you jot down 3 things you are grateful for each day. Alternatively, simply verbalize things you appreciate either to yourself or to a loved one. This practice shifts your focus away from stress and toward positivity, cultivating a more optimistic and peaceful outlook. There you have it, 10 simple, DIY stress relief hacks to instantly calm your home and your mind. Remember, transforming your home into a sanctuary doesn't require grand gestures or significant expense. It is the accumulation of small, consistent actions that truly makes a difference. Each of these hacks is an invitation to be more intentional about your well-being and the energy of your living space. Don't feel pressured to implement all of them at once. Perhaps try just one hack today, and if it resonates with you, consider adding another tomorrow. Even the smallest step towards a calmer home is a step towards a calmer you. We encourage you to experiment, find what works best for your unique needs, and embrace the journey of creating a more peaceful environment. Thank you for joining us on this journey to a more serene home and a more tranquil life.